little can with a button on top is used in hundreds of ways to make your life easier and more pleasant. It contains an aerosol. And of course you know what this is. Now, what do these two things have in common? Well, the answer is freon fluorinated hydrocarbons, used as cooling agents in the coils of your refrigerators and as propellants in aerosols of all kinds.
Wasted people would get basically upset stomachs, more serious effects from food poisoning. So the advent of refrigeration was absolutely critical.
Although the very first refrigerators which came on the market soon proved to be popular, they were also a health hazard.
The refrigerants that were first used were very dangerous. They were ammonia, they were sulfur dioxide, they were chemicals that could be directly toxic or they could damage food. There were many stories in the local newspapers about families that would die from a leaking refrigerator or about health problems such as breathing problems that would be made worse. There were fires and explosions. So it was a very dangerous time in refrigeration and air conditioning.
Manufacturers of refrigerants, such as the cooling division of General Motors, rushed to develop a safer compound, with their most noteworthy scientist Thomas Midgley discovering a refrigerant in 1930 which was trademarked as freon. It was both non-flammable and non-toxic, and to prove his point, Midgley inhaled freon and then afterwards blew out a candle, much to an impressed American Chemical Society assembly. Usage quickly spread to dishwashing sponges, foam rubber, foam insulation and aerosol cans. By the 50s and 60s, the average American household had around 40 different assorted aerosol cans in use: hairspray, insecticides, paint sprays, etc., such that the consumption of CFCs emitted into the air rocketed to almost 1 million tons a year. But the question was, where did they end up?